Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get live wallpaper on iPhone 16. So at first open camera. You need to first take a live photo. So at first enable to live option. Now I am enable live option. Okay, I'm take a live. Now I'm take a live photo. Okay, look here. Now I'm take a live photo. When long press, then showing it to this live. Okay, now I'm at my wallpaper. Click on, and then showing it to use as wallpaper. Okay, make sure to enable this and click on to add. Okay, now successfully add. Now I'm check. Okay, look here, successfully add live wallpaper. So that's it, that's how we can do it.